What's up, y'all? This is the first part of a 2, maybe 3-part series on my KLX140 RL big bore build. So in this video, I'll kick it off with a little unboxing of all of the parts, and then I show a detailed shot of everything that I used. I give a little bit of info on the parts that were used, as well as the price of them at the time when I ordered them. This was shot in March of 2025. I'm a little bit late to editing it, but here we are. And then I'll show some dyno pulls in the stock format, and then show the initial just tearing the bike down. The next video will be a full breaking the engine down and then doing the full build, as well as the results. Aside from me mentioning all the parts that were used in this, I'll also link all of the parts and products used with the part numbers below in the description. And if you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll do my best to answer. I also wanted to make note, I'm not affiliated with TB Parts or SX Parts in any way. I'm actually a graphic designer and videographer by trade, and when I was doing research on this big bore kit, I found a lack of info or in-depth video that kind of showed the ins and outs of what it's like to do this build and what's actually needed. So with my background, I figured why not document it so the info's out there for anybody that's considering doing a big bore. First up is the BRT race head. This is from SX Parts. It's a CNC ported cylinder head with big valves. This is the 31-25mm setup. It comes with the valves, valve springs, the seals, collets, and the retainers. At the time it was $365 shipped. The price may be a little bit different now. You'll see in the next video, you'll need to seat the valves, but aside from that, this thing is ready to go. So next up is the TB Parts 170 big bore kit. This comes with the aluminum cylinder with the steel sleeve, the Mikuni VM26 carburetor, the 63mm high compression piston, the camshaft and bearings, top end gasket kit, a jet kit, and an extended throttle cable for the VM26. Intake kit port match for the VM26. I ended up wanting a black intake, so I ended up ordering the billet aluminum black anodized intake from TB. At the time, this kit was $424.99. The price may have changed, obviously. So I also ordered the TB Parts Kevlar clutch plates with the heavy-duty springs. If you're going to do this upgrade for the clutch, you'll need to buy a clutch cover gasket as well, so keep that in mind. At the time, this clutch kit was $36.99. I also ordered some additional pilot jets as well, just to make sure my jetting was dialed in. So one thing I missed with the video on this bike is later on, after the bike was assembled, we did a bunch of dyno pulls and then we rode the bikes. With the TB Parts cam and this SX Parts race head, it just didn't quite perform or make the gains that I expected it to. From my understanding, the TB Parts cam works best with the stock head and the big bore kit. So I ended up ordering the SX Parts Stage 3 Performance camshaft. I ordered their cam bearings. They're sold separately, so you need to buy those as well. And then I also ordered the roller rocker arms from SX Parts. In total, all of those, the cam, the bearings, and the roller rocker arms was $163 shipped, so not bad. That completely woke this bike up though. Like, it immediately changed the performance of this thing.